Good morning. It's November 25th today. It's actually Black Friday if you are a shopper. I'm kind of just looking at my emails at all the different Black Friday sales, but I'm supposed to be enjoying my time here in Vietnam, so I should not be online shopping, but I will just check out a couple deals because there are like tour groups that are having really good sales on some of their tours. Yeah, if I can get like a travel trip cheaper, maybe. I just wanted to mention my hair. Look at this. I have poker straight hair, but something with the humidity and all this damp moisture because it has not stopped raining at all. My hair has gone wavy, like legitimately wavy. I've never seen my hair naturally curl like this without having to curl it myself, so that is a pleasant surprise. I love that. Anyway, today it's a caving activity that people are going to be going on for a couple hours. I decided to skip that, so I'm not going to be doing that today. But I will be relaxing, enjoying my time here in this beautiful area on this remote stay that we're doing, and the hotel, enjoying the facilities. There's a gym here, there's a pool, so there's going to be a lot to do. But now it's time for breakfast.
Yeah, just the only one.
It's gonna be bad.
Yeah.
It is. We gotta waste hours, bro.
Waste, bro.
I forgot to show the bathroom on the room tour, so here we go. Here's the bathroom. It's so different. It's got like this tile work. Look at that. What kind of bathroom is this? This shower goes so deep. It's very nice. I really like this bathroom. It's just so random. Ooh, hi. The bathroom has good lighting as well. The lighting is just this really pretty lantern. A few of us are gonna go on a bike ride. It's quite echoey in here actually. We're gonna go on a bike ride to a duck stop or something like that. I don't even know what that is, but it's something to do. And then I'm probably gonna come back and go swimming in the pool. It's gonna be great. Having so much fun on this holiday. You know, when you wanna like do stuff, but you also really need to just chill. Like, I feel like sometimes I just do the most on these group tours and I get so run down because we try to do everything so often. It's a bit wet still, raining on and off today. I think it's the rainy season in central Vietnam. I heard something about the north of Vietnam is really good right now because it's quite dry, and the south is pretty good because it's also dry. But the central part of Vietnam, apparently it's in monsoon season, so it's quite rainy all the time. I don't know how accurate that is, but it is raining here a lot. Like non-stop heavy rain. Right now though it's stopped off, but it'll just keep coming on and off throughout the day. So it's a very interesting climate change from the other parts of Vietnam. Like I find it almost a lot more bearable here. It's cool. It is really damp and humid, but it's not as hot as the cities. So I don't know, for the first time ever I feel comfortable to wear my hair down and stuff as I have it up right now. I just put it up because I'm gonna get changed and stuff, but I did have it down earlier and I was actually fine. So it's just interesting to see how diverse Vietnam is. Even though it's such a small country, there are so many regions to explore and visit, and they all offer a very unique, different experience. So it's definitely a country worth exploring multiple areas, not just one.
This is cozy.
Oh my god! We should tell Trin move. How did we all fit in here?
Side
Oh my god, there's so many of them.
EDM.
Yeah, you wait till I sing like I was in
Take a picture for all the people in here.
We're suited up to go see some ducks.
The phone show as well, perhaps? Doing the what? No, quick selfie. No one sees Joey.
Uh-oh.
They didn't bite. Okay.
Oh my god, they're hungry.
What the duck?
He's talking and they actually listen.
They're hunting each other. They're fighting. He looks like a duck.
He's the duck leader.
Hold on, this is one life experience. Bow leg up. Yeah, like that, yeah. And then where moment we can use scissors to cut the chicken for you. Yeah?
Okay, cool, thanks.
It's a whole chicken for lunch. Bon appetit!
No crashing this time, Leo. Oh, the god.
Oh, he's right in it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep.
Oh my god, this is so gross. It's shit. It's mud and shit. Okay, welcome back to the hostel. I wanted to check out the gym hotel. It's not really a hostel, it's like a hotel, but it's so old and rusty and there's spider webs, so I don't think I can actually do a workout. My hands smell like rust when I picked up the dumbbells, so they're not the best. Anyway, I just wanted to give some context for what you just saw because it was hectic energy. So those of us who didn't go to the cave activity, we decided to book a Jeep. So a guy who works here at this hotel, he drove us in this open air Jeep. We went off-roading in the rice fields with all the buffalo poop and mud. It was just intense. Like I still have mud on me. I don't even know. And it was so fun though because some people were getting absolutely soaking wet and muddy and just full of poop. We went to this duck place where you can just have an experience with ducks. It was like 50,000 Vietnamese dong, so it was nothing at all. And it was actually really well done. Like they included so much for what you paid. Like it was like hardly anything to pay and you got like a drink and the whole experience and they gave you these little shoes to wear and they had the ducks feed feeding off of you. It was just the funniest thing and so random, but it was a really fun experience. I haven't done something like that since I was a kid, so it was really nice to just do something different and get us out. And then we got driven back in the Jeep to a bar called the Little Pub with Cold Beer or something like that. It's a really cute name. And we had pre-ordered, somebody called from this hotel to pre-order us 3 whole freshly killed chickens, and it was just really good. The chicken though was really different because it was just freshly killed. It was quite tough and stringy because apparently one of the guys, he has an uncle who's a chicken farmer, and he said that if you kill a chicken, you're meant to let it sit for 24 hours so that the muscles relax. But if you serve it up like they did, it can get quite tough and chewy because the muscles are still like, you know, tight from being killed. That was something different to learn. So we had our lunch and then we got taken back in the Jeep, and that was the really wet, muddy part where we went on the back rice paddies that I'm looking at right now. We went on those roads back to this hotel. That was our day. We're all back now. People had to go shower and get ready. I managed to stay okay. I didn't get too much mud on me. Now we're just gonna relax at this hotel for the remainder of the night and have dinner here as well. And tomorrow we have a very early start. It'll be a little bit more hectic, but I have really enjoyed having this time to just relax here. And this place is just so serene, comfortable, peaceful. So I've just felt like I've gotten a really good sleep last night. I was chatting to a guy on the tour. We were just agreeing like this whole place is just super authentic Vietnamese vibes, like rural, hasn't been touristic yet, and it's just so wholesome. Like the duck farm earlier was so wholesome. So I think that that's what this place has, is that untouched, off the beaten path charm to it. And then of course the stunning views and just a beautiful environment to relax. Maybe I'll vlog a little tonight. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow when we hit the road again and continue this G Adventures tour. I will talk to you guys in another update. Bye. Free in the nights as well, so you can't really like before that time. Good morning. It's the 26th of November and we are leaving Phang Na, I think it's called. We're about to have a really intense day today. We have to drive 2 hours on a coach bus, and then we get to the area where we're gonna do like a motorbike tour, and there's just a lot of things on the agenda today. We had to get up super early, so it's about 6:30 in the morning. Well, just gone 7 now. We all ate at 6:30 a.m. We ate our breakfast. We're gonna get on the bus and start traveling, starting our adventures, which is just a full day of activity. The optional motorbike tour sounded really cool, so I'm gonna pay for that. I'm not actually driving the motorbike. I'm gonna be on the back with somebody who's driving me, so that's cool. That's gonna be in Hue or Hue. H-U-E. And then we also have an optional vegetarian lunch, which is like a 5-course meal. So I'm excited for that. I just had the egg sausage with a baguette. The baguette is the French influence here in Vietnam, and it is really tasty. It's like super light and very flaky and crunchy almost. So that's kind of nice to see, you know, the influence that the French were here colonizing Vietnam for a very long time. So that's what I had for breakfast today to start off this really busy day. Once we get into where we're staying tonight in Hue, we're all gonna go out as a group as well, so it's just gonna be like a full-on day. And I just realized there's like a full-on missile behind me. But anyways, let's get this day started, see what we see today. I'm excited to move on and see something new. Okay, so the first stop of the day is actually Vinh Moc tunnels. These were used in the war. Vietnam has had a lot of war, we learned. These tunnels were used as protection. We're actually gonna go check out the tunnels now with our CEO, who's gonna give us a guided tour. So should be pretty good. We're starting to learn a lot more about Vietnam's rough history with how much war they've had. They've had so much war. It's like, I didn't realize that. Even before the US war, there was internal civil war, and it's been like hundreds of years of war. So I really pray that there's peace here for good now, you know? Come on. Number 3. Oh my God. Okay.
You don't have to duck down.
What?
Oh, so that's like a
Look at this, we're in the tunnels, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, people would actually like eat in here and live in here.
Pretty fresh.
That is crazy. And a family, the kids.
Whole village would just stay here, yeah.
Oh my gosh, this like one tunnel was for a whole family. Can you imagine how small that is? I don't like the stairs, but walking straight is okay. The stairs are like scary because it's muddy and slippery. This is like damp, humid. Whoa. It's getting a lot more narrow. Very interesting. My gosh. This is like surreal right now to walk in these. People actually did live in these for a very long time. Oh, an exit. Oh my god, it's pouring rain. Really bad. No, we're going back in. What's going on here? Is that a hospital? She gave birth? No way. No way. What are they doing? Just chilling? Sitting? Oh, we can stand up straight?
Almost.
Oh my god. I can't believe they gave birth in these tunnels too.
This is the biggest room.
Biggest room.
Oh yeah, see all the babies.
Right, I poured these out.
Meeting room, more stairs. Even just darkness. We made it out to the beach. That was really intense though. Like it was so claustrophobic. People gave birth in the tunnels. I couldn't believe that. I liked that they had like little statues to show like what life was like when you were living in there. I can't imagine that. I can't imagine living in a tunnel. That's just incredible.
That is spring roll. Yeah. I just wanted to have more time.
It is pouring rain. We're having lunch, but it is pouring rain. I'm supposed to do a motorbike tour outside, but I'm thinking about canceling because who wants to do a motorbike tour when it can pour rain like this halfway through or during the whole time? Nah. Lotus seed soup. They're quite big seeds. Everything is vegetarian.
I thought it was garlic.
Spread.
For the curry, you can use the bread to dip it in.
Yum. This is a long banana and it's perfectly ripe. Green peel. Okay, motorbike tour. Motorbike tour. And all of our drivers. It's motorbike time. Time for the motorbike tour. And you.
Guys, lucky draw. Anh Thành mà chưa con đẹp đó. Đấy, chưa có đẹp gì khóa. Bỏ đi ra. Ok rồi.
Hey, I picked this one. You? Hi. Ready.
Anh chìm con lại cái đường bạn sát này nè.
was great. I like my driver. He's really good. That was so fun. I'm glad we take a break though because my legs are like shaking. Ah, this is so much fun. I'm so glad I did it and I'm so glad it's not raining. Shoy.
See rice and we got a half. That's the way we harvest. After harvesting, we fresh rice out. We do it by hand. Can I do it? No, I can't. Because it's fine. See. Which one is better? Không nhìn đâu. Bởi vì do photoshoot.
Đây chứ già gào mà chẳng tin thì ai ơi, là hù là khoan thì tự, là hù là khoan.
This is not 20, she's 21.
Oh my gosh, she lifted that up like it was nothing. Oh, it's heavy.
Hey guys, come see what's it. Okay, look at it. See? Brown rice, white rice.
Oh, okay.
It's better for us.
Brown
It's
and
gone
white.
for you. So we do it once a week. Thick and heavy.
Raincoat. Oh.
Made from coconut leaves. She's gonna pick up a man, a lucky man.
That's quite the rock.
Maybe it's gonna pull out the thing. Did they glue it in there?
Round 2 on the motorbike. The first stop was so funny. That lady and the guy, they are hilarious. And I love the demonstration they did rocking the baby. That's so funny. All right, let's go. Bye. Second stop is a lookout, but we need to climb up this hill to get there. Bunker Hill. we made it to a famous temple. It's one of the last stops because the sun is setting. It's a Buddhist temple where they have 2 different types of monks, we were learning. Before that, we also stopped at a Vietnamese coliseum, but I didn't bother filming because we couldn't go inside. It's just a stone circle building in the middle of this rural area. But this tour is so fun. I'm having the most fun on this motorbike tour. It's probably the best activity that has been offered on this tour. I love my driver. I'm having an amazing time being driven around. Like, this is just epic. What an epic way to say Hue, because we don't have much time here either. We have like this afternoon and then we leave tomorrow. And so this is just such a stunning way to see Hue or Hue, however you say it. I'm just so excited to be here. And I feel like I'm living the adventure on this motorbike tour. So that's amazing. Okay, I'm almost out of phone battery because I've just been taking so much pictures and videos. So I gotta go. I want to save it for if we go to a different stop. Yeah, I just had to say, this is an amazing. And if you're ever here, you have to do the motorbike tour. Definitely, it's a must do. It's bonsai trees. It's a bonsai garden. We have one night in Hue. We checked into the hostel from hell where we have like a 15-bed dorm room and a ladder that makes no sense. I cannot even access my bunk properly. But now we're going for dinner with the group. Seems like the nightlife is pretty good here. Okay, we finished our group dinner. 3 of us have broken away from the crowd to go explore Hue. The consensus is we really like it in this city, but we only have a couple hours here. We had like the afternoon, tonight, and then we leave at 8 in the morning. So we don't have much time here, but we wanted to see the bridge that changes to the rainbow colors and like a sign that's like, I heart Hue. So that's what we're gonna do. Look at, she's trying to avoid being filmed. That's a shame. We don't get to see much of this city. It's very nice, very cute, but we're all gonna go meet up at the bar later. And I mean, at least we get to walk around right now and see a little bit of this city. I'll chat to you guys tomorrow when we start our day heading down to Hoi An. The adventures continue, and soon it's my 30th birthday in just a few days. I will see you guys in another update. Bye! And that wraps up episode 5, where we left the tranquil Phang Nga countryside and hopped on an epic motorbike tour all over Hue. Yes, I finally learned how to pronounce it. It's Hue. We had heaps of very wet weather throughout central Vietnam, but we found ways to stay entertained. Visiting the duck farm was super random yet so much fun, and the jeep ride through all the rice paddy fields in the pouring rain was such a thrill. On the way to Hue, we stopped off for a quick visit to the Vinh Moc tunnels. This tunnel system is the longest and largest in the country and were built by local villagers villagers to escape constant World War II bombings. Around 60 families lived in the tunnels and around 300 people found shelter there over a span of 6 years. Walking in the tunnels, it was dark, wet, and humid. I can only imagine what life must have been like living in there for long periods of time. I was so shocked to learn that women gave birth inside the tunnels, and it really just showed the resilience of the villagers. We moved on to Hue, and I opted to do an adventurous motorbike tour all around the city's top sites. Hue was the capital of unified Vietnam from 1802 to 1945. It was home to the last Vietnamese emperors. We stopped off at many sites and learned about the history of Vietnam and drove through the city and countryside to see beautiful views. I really enjoyed Hue, but we had such limited time here. I'd recommend spending a few days exploring at a much slower pace. Thank you so much for watching episode 5 of this vlog series, and don't forget to subscribe to watch the next episode. We carried on traveling south to Hoi An, the city of lanterns and custom-made tailoring. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!